So let me show you how to open developer options on your Pixel 10. Now I have the Pixel 10 Pro here, but it's still the same for the regular Pixel 10. So swipe up and go to settings. And then under settings, you want to scroll down to about phone, tap on that. And then under about phone, you want to scroll down until you get to build number. Tap on that 7 times. It's going to ask for your PIN if you have one. So once you enter your PIN, it's going to say you are now a developer. Now that's enabling developer options. Just reduce the brightness here. So to actually access those developer options, you're going to have to go back and then go to System, tap on that. And then under System, you'll now see developer options, and you can tap on that. And now you have access to your developer options. All right. Thanks for watching. Good luck.